Kristian here with the BK Group of Northrop Realty. Today I'm excited to announce some big news here at Lennar's newest community, the Highlands at Perry Hall. Starting today, you now have up to 9 different models to choose from, including 3 of them offering up to a 3-car garage. So the best part of all this is that these are starting now in just the low to mid 500s. Now for the level of craftsmanship, quality, and overall value that Lennar delivers with every home, this truly is your best opportunity to finally build your dream home.